Hey guys, in the last video we had created a True Studio project in which we had incorporated FreeRTOS, and then we had gone on ahead and created two tasks in the project that were obviously executing independently of each other. So there was my task 1 and my task 2. These were configured to have the same priority inside of main, so you can see that they had the same priority. And what we were doing is we were just simply printing task 1 and task 2 to the serial port, to UART2 peripheral. Okay, now in this video what I'm going to show you is how to prevent resource contention. So what is resource contention? Resource contention is a condition in your program when two different threads or two different tasks try to access a shared resource. In this case, the shared resource is the UART peripheral 2. And as we can see that both my task 1 and my task 2 use the same UART to print data to the terminal. Okay, we do not want this to be happening because what may happen is that, let's say my task 1 is in the process of sending this data over UART. Okay, the scheduler might just preempt the task and do a context switch. What meaning? The scheduler may pause this task and start this task, or resume this task rather, and start printing uh, this task 2 on the serial port. And that would be a race condition where both these tasks are trying to access the same resource. Okay, so one method of preventing resource contention is what I'm going to describe in this video, which is very simply using these two functions that are given from the FreeRTOS library. Okay, so it's simply task and critical, all right, and task exit critical. That's it. What this does is by including these two lines of code, task enter critical and task exit critical, we're basically telling the RTOS scheduler that we do not want this particular task to be suspended while it is executing this line. Now, I can have many more lines of code here, and the scheduler would not suspend this task while it is in the critical section. So let's just include the same thing in the other task as well. Task enter critical. Exit critical. There you have it. This ensures that there is no resource contention between these two tasks because we've guaranteed that task 1 and task 2 would not be suspended while they are executing this particular statement. All right, so that is one method of preventing resource contention between tasks in an RTOS program. Thanks for watching. Do leave comments if you've got any questions. Thank you.